Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Rachel, your coach with New Leaf Wellness and Nutrition, and today we're going to talk a little bit about reconnecting with a little someone you might know, your body. So many times over the years in my life, and probably in yours too, diet culture has helped me override my body and tell it no. No, you can't do that. No, you shouldn't do that. This is not what we're supposed to be doing. So, whether that's I'm tired, well, we have to go to the gym today, or I'm hungry. Nope, we've already eaten our allotted calories for the day. Over time, that overriding just really breaks apart the relationship that we have with this one precious gift we have. This is the only body you're going to get. Unless you live long enough to have some kind of brain transplant, but for most of us, this is it. And your body has been pretty good to you. It's kept you going up until now. And that disconnect, that broken relationship, it's time to mend it. And that's a beginning. That's work that continues. It's not a one and done situation, but I'm going to give you one thing, just one, to do to start the ball rolling. And that's this. Just like in any relationship in need of repair, the first thing you probably need to do is apologize. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I told you no when I should have told you yes. I'm sorry I didn't listen to you when you were trying to tell me I shouldn't do something, and I did, and I got injured or hurt. I'm sorry. The most important thing to remember when you are giving an apology to anyone or anything is that it should be two things, and that is sincere and specific. And all I mean is that it's, no one wants the apology that's like, well, I'm sorry you felt that way. A sincere, I'm sorry. And the specifics are about showing how sincere you are by showing that you understand what happened. So that means being specific. What happened? I didn't treat you the way I should have. I didn't listen to you the way that I should have. I did not stay connected to you the way I should have. And that was wrong. I can use the excuse that it was diet culture, but I can't do anything about that now, but I know better now. So I'm going to do everything I can to listen to you, to listen to what you're saying, to try and tune in to the cues that you're giving me, the wisdom that you hold for me, because who knows you better than your body? Specific and sincere. Those are the two things any good apology needs to be. And you can do that with your body. Whether you just sit here and say, I'm sorry, or whether you journal it out in a dialogue, in an imagined dialogue, whatever works for you. But a sincere I'm sorry will go a long way toward repairing that relationship. Because I don't know about you, but I could use the wisdom my body has to offer. I could use the information that she's trying to give me. That would be really helpful. And I have learned to tune it out because it didn't fit in with what I was being told or what I was given or the models that I had. You weren't supposed to listen to your body. You were supposed to take charge and squish down your body because your body was unruly and large or wrong somehow. So I get it. This is, like I said, this is long-term work. This is not, okay, sorry, we're done, we're good. Because most of us, we haven't learned how to really listen. It's one thing to say, I'm sorry I didn't, but it's some work to do to really listen, to learn how to tune back into those clues that we have ignored for so long. So be in it for the long haul. Your body deserves it. She's done so much for you. She really has. So All right, that is it for today. As always, come find me on social media at New Leaf Wellness and Nutrition and have a chat and message me if you have any questions. Email me, come find my website, and of course, hit the subscribe button if you want to know when new videos come out. So, until next time, I hope you and your body are back to having the beautiful relationship you deserve.